Good morning, students. Today I will explain you scene Act 3, Scene 1. This scene takes place in Venice Street. And these main characters are Selenio, Celerino, Shylock and Tubal. Here, Selenio and Celerino, they are doing conversation. They are discussing about the news from Rialto. Rialto means Venetian Stock Exchange. One of the Antonio ships with rich cargo is destroyed in the Godwin Sands, which is a dangerous, shallow place. Selenio says, let this rumor of talkative woman be wrong. Celerino pray that God may put an end to Antonio's losses. Shylock enters and asks about the news among the merchants. Then Selenio and Celerino make comments regarding Jessica's elopement to Shylock. Celerino said that he knows the tailor who made the clothes in which Jessica eloped. Selenio said that he knew that the young bird was ready to fly, as it is the nature of all birds to leave the mother. Then Shylock says that his blood has gone against him, for this she will be punished. Celerino comments that there is more difference between Shylock and Jessica than between black and white colors. And other is more difference between their blood than there is between ordinary red wine and Rhenish. Rhenish here means expensive white German wine. Celerino tells about Antonio's lost ship to Shylock. Shylock was happy to listen this news. Shylock can take revenge from Antonio if he is unable to pay his bond on time. For taking revenge, Shylock gave explanation to Celerino that if a Jew does injustice to a Christian, does the Christian show humility? No, he will take revenge. Now here enters the Tubal, a wealthy Jew. Shylock asked Tubal, is there any news from Genoa about my daughter Jessica? Tubal said that he could not find her. Shylock wished that her daughter were dead before him, with diamonds in her ear and with ducats in her coffin. Tubal gave information about Antonio's ship, which had been wrecked while sailing from Tripoli. After listening this news, Shylock again became happy. But when Tubal said that his daughter spent 80 ducats in one night in Genoa and gave her ring in return for a monkey, this news made Shylock angry. Shylock said that ring was given to me by my wife Lee before our marriage. Shylock told Tubal to hire a law officer for him so that he shall have Antonio's hurt if he fails to meet the conditions of the agreement. Later, Shylock asked Tubal to meet him at the Jewish synagogue, means a place of worship, and then they move away from there. Let me assign you the homework regarding this scene. First, you have to go through the book thoroughly, and after that, you have to write down the passage question answers on the workbook, and also write the summary of 2 pages of this scene on your notebook. Thanks.